Hi, I'm Jason Wolk with Echo Incorporated, and in today's video we'll be talking about preventative maintenance and, more importantly, what happens when you don't do routine maintenance on your Echo Power equipment. The most important part of preventative maintenance is by far air filtration maintenance. Air filters are often the most overlooked component of preventative maintenance, and basically these air filters, their main job is to keep dirt and debris out of your engine. These air filters will actually accumulate pretty quickly with dirt and debris that's in the air. What happens over time is if you don't change this filter, eventually that dirt and debris is going to work its way through the filter, get into the engine, which actually dirt ingestion into an engine is the leading cause of premature engine failure. So it's very important that you also take a look at your air filter on a regular basis. Typically we recommend checking it daily or replacing it every 3 months or 90 hours, again dependent upon product and then application. Another important part of preventative maintenance is maintaining your fuel system. All Echo products use an intake fuel filter. It looks similar to this. Typically there's a felt outer shell with a screen on the inside. The main purpose of this component right here is to keep dirt and debris out of your carburetor. What happens if dirt and debris were to actually get into your carburetor, you could have some issues with the unit being difficult to start, possibly having very low power under load, or ultimately even starving the engine for fuel, causing the engine to actually seize due to lack of fuel into the engine. So remember to keep an eye on your fuel filters, check them regularly. Typically, we recommend checking them at least every 3 months or 90 hours. But again, that will vary depending upon your product and your application. Another important part of preventative maintenance is replacing your spark plug. Spark plugs should be replaced at least once a year because over time what will happen is they will accumulate some deposits. They'll also generate some wear, which over time could cause your unit to be, one, difficult to start, two, possibly provide you with low power under load, or may even provide you with a no-start situation. Each of the preventative maintenance parts we discussed today can easily be found in Echo's YouCan maintenance kit. Each kit is packaged with genuine Echo replacement parts to provide you with the components you need to perform preventative maintenance to keep your Echo product running like new year after year. And the best part is every kit can be installed within about 5 minutes of time. So be sure to check back for some additional videos on how to install specific kits on specific units.